took a long, long time till I could see your face without having you around. It took a long, long time till I could hear your voice without knowing any sound. Well, I guess that we just need to take our time. Some days it might be a long, long time, but I would not hurry 1 minute of that time if it meant that someday we could settle into a warm, warm love. You are so far away, and I'll admit some days it's much too hard to bear. And in my darkest hour, I've often struggled to remember that you're there. But if I could put you in my pocket and always keep you there, I would. But you're not just any bird, and you deserve to fly where you should. And I wouldn't trade 1 minute of that time if it meant that someday we would settle into a